Trackside model railroading, where the hobby comes to life.
Love trains? Be sure to sign up for your free account on TracksideModelRailroading.com. We offer 3 versions of our magazine: the free edition that is an online-only version, the premium edition with lots of full-page images in a downloadable PDF format, and our DVD series that is intended for your television that includes even more content. Our DVDs have a typical runtime of 80 minutes or more each month. Buying DVDs in the premium edition helps us to visit these great layouts to share with our readers and starts as low as $1 per month. If you would like to support us, come visit us at www.TracksideModelRailroading.com. We offer the complete tour of this layout and many more on DVD video. You can find the link in the description of the video.
Trackside model railroading, where the hobby comes to life.